To get started with Uniswap subgraphs, it is essential to understand the basics of the Uniswap protocol and the Graph protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner, while the Graph is a decentralized data indexing protocol that enables developers to build and publish open APIs, known as subgraphs. First, define what a subgraph is and its role in the Uniswap ecosystem. A subgraph is an open API that indexes specific data from the blockchain, making it easily accessible for developers to build applications on top of Uniswap. Next, learn about the key concepts involved in creating and using Uniswap subgraphs, such as entities, types, and resolvers. Entities represent objects on the blockchain. Types define the structure of these entities. And resolvers are functions that fetch data from the blockchain and map it to these entities. To create a Uniswap subgraph, start by defining the schema of your subgraph, which includes the types of entities you want to index and the relationships between them. Then, write resolvers to fetch data from the blockchain and map it to your entities. Practical examples include indexing liquidity pool data, token prices, and trade history. For instance, you can create a subgraph that indexes the liquidity pool data for a specific token pair, allowing developers to build applications that display real-time liquidity pool metrics. Best practices for working with Uniswap subgraphs include optimizing your subgraph for performance, handling errors and exceptions, and ensuring data consistency and accuracy. It is also crucial to test your subgraph thoroughly before deploying it to production. Finally, learn about the tools and resources available for building and deploying Uniswap subgraphs, such as the Graph CLI, Graph Studio, and the Uniswap protocol documentation. By following these steps and best practices, you can create powerful and informative Uniswap subgraphs that enable developers to build innovative applications on top of the Uniswap protocol.